delicious creamy chicken basil pesto pasta. So good! Cup fresh Parmesan cheese grated. As heavy whipping cream. Cup cold stored basil pesto sauce. As half fresh fettuccine pasta. TBSP olive oil. 2 TBSP butter. 1/2 broccoli crown in medium pieces. 1/4 red onion chopped. 2 chicken thighs, remove fat, slice in pieces, salt and pepper. In medium hot pan add 1 TBSP oil, 2 TBSP butter, chicken, 1/4 TSP salt and pepper and stir. Add onion, stir, cook until chicken is done. Remove from pan. Add heavy whipping cream. Add basil pesto sauce and stir, simmer 2 minutes. Add cheese, stir, simmer 1 minute. Add chicken back, stir and simmer 5 minutes and turn off heat. While sauce is simmering, have a pot of medium boiling water, TBSP salt, TBSP oil. Add pasta and cook to pasta package instructions. Add pasta and stir until completely covered with sauce. Let sit 5 minutes for pasta to absorb sauce and thicken. While pasta is resting, have a pot boiling water, 1/2 TBSP salt. Add broccoli and boil 2 minutes. Add as topping. Very tasty. Enjoy!